Welcome to this quick tutorial on Riffusion AI, the free tool that lets you generate music from text in seconds. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to use Riffusion AI to create your own music using just a few words. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to riffusion.com. Sign in with your Google account. On the home page, you'll see a simple prompt box that says, "Create the music you imagine." Let's type something like "Lo-fi chill beats with piano." Now hit the Generate button. In just a few seconds, Riffusion will create a music clip based on your prompt, and you can listen to it instantly.
Tonight feels different somehow. Just me and these walls now. Sitting cross-legged on my bed. Midnight keys beneath my hands, playing notes I understand.
Riffusion uses AI diffusion models to generate spectrogram images, then converts them into actual sound. Pretty cool, right? You can also tweak your prompt. Let's try electronic dance music with heavy bass and hit Generate again. Each time you'll get a unique and original track. Perfect for content creation, background music, or just having fun.
Pressure in my head, push it out right now. Tonight. Clockwork, blur, routine, rewind. Eyes wide open, still confined.
Want to download your track? Click the three-dot menu next to the player and select Download to save it as an MP3 file. Pro tip: try combining different genres like jazz plus hip-hop fusion or sci-fi synthwave for really creative results. And remember, it's all free to use with no watermark. So that's it. You've just learned how to generate music from text using Riffusion AI. Completely free and super easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools and music tutorials. Thanks for watching. Now go make some amazing tracks with Riffusion AI.